loves. There are so many new faces around here on YouTube. So if you're new, hello, my name is Melissa. I'm a Celtic and Nordic medicine woman. I have an online mystery school called the Remembrance Mystery School, where I help women around the world develop their spiritual gifts. I also do personal sessions, one-on-one sessions, and I have online workshops and courses to support you on your spiritual journey. If you're interested in anything that I offer, it's all linked in the description below, and I would be honored to connect with you deeper and work with you on your journey. So if you've stumbled across this video right now, it's not a coincidence. Welcome in. There's a message from your angels, from your spirit guides for you inside of this video. Let us see what they have for you today. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. And if you have not already, like and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of this community. I feel like you have been doing a lot of shadow work to understand how to create your reality. Yeah, we have the Tower coming out and the Star. So there have been a lot of dramatic endings, Spirit is saying, in your life. Dramatic endings, this could be career-wise, this could be relationships, romantic relationships, this could be divorces I'm picking up on right now. This could be just like family feuds, and massive career changes is what I'm hearing as well. Living situations, evictions. A lot of difficult situations that have had to catapult you into deeper healing. We have the Star coming out into deeper healing. So like the Chameleon with this, specifically with the Tower card, is like how it had to help you change. The environment that you were in had to help you change and shift, and you kind of had to change and shift yourself because of the environments that you were in. And I feel like you've done a lot of shadow work around what attracted those environments and those situations, those people. You've been doing a lot of healing around that recently, is what Spirit is saying. They want to acknowledge that. They want to acknowledge, like, good job. You're doing a great job doing that. That the Magician coming out, you're doing a great job alchemizing that. Those situations, those difficult situations, the relationships that you had to release, the people, you know, whatever it was for your unique situation, the Magician's coming out. And I really feel like you've been doing that shadow work to understand, like, how you can now co-create your reality from a higher, more healed part of you versus from the wounded parts of you that attracted situations that caused more disharmony for you. Making sense? Yeah. I feel like you had to deal with a lot of energetic interference and things like not really going your way, or like the way that you thought it was supposed to go in you know, kind of went a little bit like this way instead of the way that you felt. And it maybe like I'm seeing like the Justice card in my head. I really feel like Spirit is bringing in a timeline of justice for you. Thank you, Spirit, coming out. I really feel like there's a timeline of justice coming for you now. Yeah, balance and harmony, temperance, the alchemy card. This is the same, coming alongside the Magician. It's like the balance, the harmony, the alchemy. Specifically with me, zebras are connected to the Magician archetype as well. That's just like my personal connection with zebras. And I feel like you've really had to see more beyond black and white, the zebra black and white stripes. You've had to see the gray area. You've had to compare and analyze and look at both sides and see the dark and see the light and see the in-between and the reasoning of why. This is a very specific message, whoever this is for. Wow. Okay, what else do you have for this collective, Spirit? Yeah, there were a lot of things. So I'm speaking to a portion of this collective right now. Remember how I said take what resonates, sleep what doesn't? I'm speaking to a portion of this collective right now that has had some difficulty in love specifically. You have Two of Cups coming out. It was in reverse though. And with that connected to the Magician card, it feels like you are alchemizing and transmuting and healing different relationship situations, romantic situations that caused you a lot of disharmony, that had to bring you back to yourself, that had to bring you back to you, that had to remind you of who you are and your connection to the divine, and that you are worthy and that you are more than enough, and that you're allowed to take up space, and that you're allowed to do things in your way, in the way that you want to do, and you don't have to live in a box. And you've had to come into union with yourself and not be codependent on someone else as well. And whatever that relationship that you were in, it's bringing you a gift now. The healing process that you are going through is bringing you a gift. You have Knight of Wands coming out, and that to me feels like this movement forward, and this incoming turn of events is what Spirit is saying. And the Knight of Cups on the background. So again, incoming, like this could literally be new love coming in for you. This could be new ways for you to express your creative life force energy, because your creative life force energy may have been depleted in those previous romantic relationships. So there's new ways for you to express yourself creatively. There are new romantic relationships and platonic relationships coming in to support this new version of yourself now. I feel like you're quite literally the phoenix rising from the ashes is what I'm seeing right now. God says you are the phoenix rising from the ashes. That is the title of this video. God says you're the phoenix rising from the ashes. And I feel like this next era is this new passion, this new love, this whole new timeline. After a lot of things that brought you down, ashes, phoenix, remember, brought you down, brought you back to yourself, brought you back to wholeness with you and God. And now you're rising. The goddess is rising. The goddess is rising. Whew, and that's you. Oh, wow. Peacocks. I feel like peacocks are significant for you. You got the peacock coming out right now. This is the awakening, this awakening of renewal, enlightenment, this new version of yourself. Ace of Wands coming out as well in the background. This whole new era of you. Phoenix energy, fire, wands, like this. Yeah, okay. Which deck do I want to use right now? I don't know. I don't know what deck I want to use right now, guys. I think I'm going to go with this one. We're going to go with the Energy Oracle. I want to get some Energy Oracle for y'all. 333, 555. Birds of prey. Birds in general. You might be very connected to birds in general. Lizards, dragons may have been very significant for you recently. Snakes, beetles, ladybugs, thank you. Hawks, I said birds of prey, thank you. They're just coming out right now. Angel of love, you can't make this up. Angel of love. There's a renewal in love for you, because you know your value now. Door to value. Door to value. Wow, I want to read that to you. Oh, whoa. Okay, wait a minute. Multiple things just happened. All right, the blossoming abundance and the all tied up cards split out, peaked out, but then they went away. Which makes me feel like there's like this little undertone energy of like there were things, like those situations were tying you up financially, tying you up romantically, and were causing blockages and blockages in doors opening for you, and now the doors are swinging open is what I'm feeling from Spirit. Like there's an overflow for you. Why not? I'm ready for overflow. Why not you? Why not you? It actually is not too good to be true. This message is not clickbait. If you have made it this far in the video, especially, okay, why not you? It's not too good to be true. You have a cornucopia of good things coming in for you now after the last, I want to say anywhere for some of you, 3 to 10 years. Cycle of a lot of pain. And not all of it was bad, but there was definitely an imbalance. And now it's coming into balance now. Okay, let's see. 31 coming out. New beginnings in finance or career. And I'm also really feeling this connected to love because the Angel of Love card came out with it. This card shows a door with a gold coin on it, opening to a place that's filled with light and bright potential. Money, coins, and jewels fly towards you through the open door, revealing a golden city beyond. All of this points to the potential for exciting new beginnings or expansions where work or money is concerned. Perhaps a new opportunity is totally unexpected, or perhaps it's something you've been working toward for quite a while. Either way, keep your eyes open for this new beginning to appear in your life, and know that anything you value may open up to you more now. Remain conscious and creative and get ready to step through the door. And the affirmation, if you want to write this down: my life is opening to endless possibilities of prosperity. The river of abundance flows freely through my door, bringing me unlimited wealth. I also want to read Angel of Love for you. Yeah. Tender connections. This beautiful angel comes with roses in her hair and rose-colored wings. She holds a rose quartz heart, radiating tender and loving vibrations, bringing you compassion and affection. If you're looking for new love, this angel brings a message of its upcoming approach. So I'm getting goosebumps right now. For those of you who have gone through divorce and pain and love in the last couple of years, this is your confirmation. Oh, I have whole body chills that it's shifting for you. So this angel brings a message of the upcoming approach for new love, or if you're longing for a deeper, more intimate connection with somebody already in your life, she's here to say that far greater tenderness is available to you. Either way, remember that your first intention for tenderness must be directed inward, and the compassion that you demonstrate toward yourself will influence the energetic potential of these events in a significant way. The angel of love is smiling on you and forging connections in the energetic realm. Things are shifting in your favor. The divine is moving things for you in your life. The door, I feel like your connection to spirit is getting stronger. I feel like that's also why this video found its way to you. My videos are, warded and protected. Some of them get a lot of views and some of them don't. And it's really dependent on what the divine, who is aligned for the messages and the frequencies. And also be very aware, because there are a lot of people who put out messages that are clickbait. And there are also spirits out there that will taunt people and tease them and hook them to get them to think that messages are for them and prey on their woundings on them too. It's very interesting. Discernment is definitely important. Yeah, that's why my messages, like I said, are deeply protected, as I put this work out there and I do this work in the world. So yeah, I hope that this message served you well wherever you are in the world. It was an honor to connect with you for this moment. If you would like to work with me deeper, everything that I offer is linked in the description below. I do personalized readings and I have private sessions. I also have one-on-one mentorship and the Remembrance Mystery School. If you would like to send me a tip, I would be most gracious. Thank you for supporting my work and supporting this channel. Like and subscribe. Share this message with somebody if it resonates with you and you feel like they're meant to hear it. And yeah, I release you with lots of love and gratitude. And I will see you in the next aligned message for you. Or maybe I'll see you in a session. Okay, have a great rest of your day. Goodbye for now.